How to fix iPhone not vibrating on silent problem in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and click on sound and haptics and scroll down and turn this button on, system haptics. If you turn this button off, then turn this button on. After turning this button on, go back to home screen and swipe down and check if you turn on do not disturb, then turn off do not disturb. After turning off do not disturb, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, then open settings and go in sound and haptics and click on haptics, and if you choose any option, never play, don't play, play in silent mode, then select only always play. After selecting always play, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, then open settings and click on general and open software update, and here you can check your software update will be updated or not, your iOS latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updating latest iOS version, go back and scroll down last, and you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and reset all settings. Here you enter your passcode to reset all the settings, and here you confirm to reset all the settings. It will be reset all your iPhone settings, but never destroy and other data like photos, videos and other data. It will only reset all your settings. After resetting all your settings, then restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then swipe this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.